Gang, gang.
Marc V. Marc V, that's enough. Marc V. Marc V, that's enough.
Turn it up, man. Dang. Say that one more time. Let's see really quick. Put some in there, yeah, you know. I'm back on. Oh, matter of fact, yeah. I do. I got some cool systematics. Yep, there it is. Get my hi-hat on, man. Get my hi-hat game up, yeah, you know? Yeah, I'm just a Negro. I'm just a little Negro. I've never been nothing else, I'm just a Negro. I've been a young Negro for my whole life. I don't want to be a Negro no more. I want to be something else. I don't want to be a Negro no more. I want to be something else. I don't want to be a Negro no more. No. Mike Winters. That's my motherfucking name, bitch. Yeah. And you better fucking know it. No, 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 no. Don't you leave me, no. Don't hurt my fucking feelings no more. Don't make me wanna be your boyfriend. And you don't even wanna be my girlfriend. They wanna fucking know me no more. Hi, and me, tell me what do you see? Finally, I can have you to myself, baby. Why so much pain, 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 and I don't want no one knowing why we act the way that we get, girl, but I love you so much. I said I love you so much, much, baby. I can't get you away from me for long, 'cause you got that sin I like. And if I leave, then I'll be wrong. But girl, you got that stuff that I like, baby. You smell so good to me. Damn, damn, damn. Coming on right now. Loving you is one of them, then I got to be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You happen, make me feel like someone that I know. Can't be around you no more. I can't be around you no. I think maybe we could be more than friends. One of these days, more than friends. One of these days, yes, I can't even call you and tell you that I'm ready. I love you more than you love me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You remind me of a boy back in college in '93. Had a lot up on his mind, but didn't know if he'd be the one for you. Let's hear it. Ooh, okay, that's kind of cool, right? It is, and I want to thank Somatics for the cool trap melody. You feel me? Hi-hat stems that we're about to put in here. So let's check it out, y'all. Okay, this one's called Reaper, right? So let's look for Reaper, guys. Take a look at the Empress and the Omnivox sample packs right there. Slate Digital, dopeness. I mean, they're so dope, bro. Like, bro, Slate Digital, they're legends. You feel me? Like, we gotta like start acknowledging what that is. You know, there's legends, bro. There's legends, bro, that came before us. You know, we kind of have to. You know, we gotta be grateful type shit. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta be cool. Look, I'm looking for this shit, man. Always be careful with that, cause look, I'm high, so I bet it's gonna pop up now, like while we're all here. Nope, I still don't see that shit. So we're gonna go up. What we're gonna do? Refresh the plugin list fast, man. It's real quick, you know. And then that way, I can pull up my pack and check. Here we go. There you go, yeah. Let's see. Let's see how this sounds. Oh God, stop playing. Cause you do it always. Like for the main shit, you don't even want those. Like these are our masters. And you're always kind of gonna be playing and shit. Oh, mamas. So right here, yeah. Let's see.
Marc V